What's up, everybody? It's Brandon from PSA Trucks and NTD, where we have a large used vehicle dealership. We do a lot of accessories, we do full builds, and we do new vehicle upfits. And we are the leader in severe duty conversions here in Canada, and that's why we're here today. Behind me, 2026 F450 Platinum that we're doing a severe duty conversion to make the ultimate overland truck. So follow our team along. We're in the shop with the F450 Severe Duty. We're gonna break down the lift kit that Yannick just installed. So it's a BDS 2.5 with the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite shocks. It gets the new BDS radius arm, the new HD coil spring, obviously the Fox 2.5 shock, and we've upgraded the front sway bar with the increased turning radius for these 41-inch military tires. At the back of the F450 doesn't get too much change, but the biggest difference is the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite shock, upgraded U-bolts and block for the little bit of a lift, and the bump stop relocation bracket. Step, we're gonna give this truck over to Adrian's bay. He's gonna do all the recommended cutting to install the big fiberglass fender flare and to be able to fit the 41-inch military tires, and then we're getting this truck over to the body shop. So follow along.
So I'm working on this customer's F450 Platinum. Now Yannick already installed the lift kit on it. Now it's in my bay now, and I'm gonna be working on the flares, cutting the cab, and cutting the front rad support and welding in the reinforcement. So we're just gonna remove this front bumper. I'll be removing the headlights as well, so I can get to the rad support and do my cutting and then welding. Just removing the headlight right now. Then I'll be working on the fender so I can do my cutting both at the front and the rear. Okay, so with the fender out of the way, I'm gonna do my marking so I can cut the cab right here. I'll also do marking on this rad support where I have to cut and re-weld the bracket. I cut off part of this rad support because the larger wheels that we're going to be putting on, they'll just bump right into this. So it has to be removed, and we weld in this replacement bracket so that we keep the strength of it still, so that the wheel can actually turn in here. So I have my rad support bracket welded in, and I've got it all painted and it looks great. I'm gonna move to the back here. I'm gonna set my marks, I'm gonna do my cuts, and I'm gonna prep it for the body shop because they're gonna do the installation and get the cap in place. So I have the plastic cap here with the cab corner here removed. This will be reinstalled, but I just need to clean it up a little bit around here. I need to clean up a bit of the edging on this, and then it's gonna get two-parted in. Now the body shop's gonna be doing that for me, but I'm just doing all the prep for them. So I just got this plastic cap fitted in. It's all prepped for the body shop. So all they have to do is just two-part it in and just finish it up for me, but I made it easy for them. F450 is back here at the shop. It was just at the paint shop and actually at the body shop, getting the work done here. They got two-parted and they painted the flare for us. So I'm gonna be installing the flare. Now I did all my cutting and welding earlier so that the big wheels don't hit the front or the back here at the cab. So I'll be installing this onto our fender, bolting it in place.
Behind me is the 2026 F450 Platinum, now severe duty, that you just watched our team do the full build on it. So let's go through the pieces. From the ground up, we're gonna have to start with the 335 80/20 Michelin wrapped around the two-piece wheel. The fender flare is the Gen 3 style, and this is sitting on a BDS 2.5-inch lift kit with the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite shocks to give the smoothest ride. It also has a dual steering stabilizer with Fox stabilizers to give a great handling on this F450. The back of this F450 is where you really notice the difference. is this truck used to be a dually, now it's a severe duty with these 335 80/20 Michelins. And that's what we like to see, because the off-road capability of these trucks are night and day. And this thing's getting an in-bed camper, so I know this customer is gonna be hitting the off-road. So this customer reached out to us from Quebec to Ontario because we do one thing right, and we build severe duties. We're definitely the leader in severe duty conversions here in Canada, and that's why the customer reached out. So if you're looking for a severe duty truck, you have an overland vehicle, you are tall every day, you need great increased payload, you need great off-road capability. Well, a severe duty truck is all of that, and it can be fitted to your needs. So give us a call here at PSA Trucks or Northern Truck Designs. You'll speak with me. We'll go through the build, see how these trucks can fit your needs best, and we'll get one built for exactly what you're looking for. So make sure you hit the like, follow us along, and subscribe, because these videos are coming out every single day, and we got a lot more content coming like this.